If you were assigned to put together a puzzle without a reference picture, that would feel kind of unfair. No guidance, no context, just a pile of shapes silently judging your life choices. That is what a novel RNA biomarker discovery feels like. Biology doesn't hand us with the picture first, scientists get pieces, and we try to make sense of them. So we look for clues. Honestly, the small letters on the back that shows the location would be a lifesaver. That's where Norgen Biotech steps in. We offer a unique commercial kit that isolates cytoplasmic and nuclear RNA separately, with guaranteed clean separation and zero DNA contamination. For years, this kit has helped countless scientists like you figure out where your new RNA pieces belong, one discovery at a time. Today, I want to highlight the progress by walking through the emerging RNA research that uses Norgen's kit. RNA biomarker discovery once focused on mRNA, like starting a puzzle with the corner and the border pieces because they are the obvious place to begin. From there, attention shifts to non-coding RNAs. MicroRNAs are a major focus, even though the field is still young. Circular RNAs and long non-coding RNAs have gained momentum in recent years as their functions become clearer. Other classes like SNOR RNAs and piRNAs are becoming studied more often. And together, they represent a promising layer of biology with plenty left to uncover. Let's zoom in on circular RNA as our running example for the rest of this story. To understand its role within a molecular pathway, we first look at its regulatory influence on gene expression or established RNA-protein axis. One of the most characterized functions of circular RNA is as a competing endogenous RNA, which sponges microRNA. This means it binds and sequesters specific microRNA to influence downstream gene regulation. It also sequesters proteins, adding another layer of functional control. Knowing the subcellular location is crucial to understand the network and pathway, as the circular RNAs have different roles in different compartments. Most of what I just mentioned happens in the cytoplasm. However, inside the nucleus, it takes on different roles, like assisting microRNA biogenesis and interact with DNA, including facilitating DNA damage responses. After determining what this piece connects to one side, the next step is trace to the other side and examine how circular RNAs are regulated by factors like proteins, methylation, chemicals, and infectious status. Now that the pieces are coming together, the picture grows fast. We can start seeing how a novel RNA biomarker ties into cellular function, for example, how circular RNA shapes cellular death mechanism like apoptosis and apoptosis, or tunes a signal linked to inflammation and oxidative stress. Circular RNA also plays a major role in cancer programs and tumorigenesis, like influence proliferation, epithelial mesenchymal transition, vasculogenic mimicry formation, and metastasis. Piece by piece, those functional changes map onto regional patterns of disease. Circular RNA is highly tissue-specific, so it can point to which area of the body are being reshaped in cancer. For example, in the chest, it serves as a biomarker for non-small cell lung cancer and breast cancer. In abdominal and digestive organ, it shows up as gastric cancer and pancreatic cancer. And in reproductive organs, it connects with prostate cancer and ovarian cancer. Once that's established, molecular biologists can flip the game. We use the puzzle pieces as tools. Novel RNA like circular RNA can be explored as clinical biomarkers and used to study treatment response like sensitivities towards immunotherapy. And the list goes on and on. Looking forward, the RNA puzzle is only getting larger. New pathways, new clinical uses, and new surprises await. Norgen's Cytoplasmic and nuclear RNA kit stay at the center of that work to help researchers like you and me sort the pieces and place them with confidence. And with that, that's the story for today. Follow us to see more case studies, publications, and applications from researchers around the world. And I will see you next time.
Discover the Norgen advantage. Norgen Biotech, the true RNA experts.